in continuation with our previous uh, trusses, now we will come across the frames. It is a rigid one, and we have to find out the total redundancy of this frame. Now, it is very easy to calculate the total redundancy. That depends upon how many number of loops are there. Here we find one closed loop having 3 degrees of freedom. And then in addition to that, if these two are added together with both ends are fixed, so 3 plus 3, 6, and 1 loop 3, the total 9 degree of freedom. Yes, you can see 3 plus number of reactions, 3 plus 3 plus 3, the total 9 degree of freedom. So this is the what we can call as the redundancy or total degree of freedom for the frame. Now we'll go to the next, that multi-story frames. Instead of single story and with a continuity over here 1, 2 and the 3 supports with 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 closed loops are there. So we can straightway calculate the total degree of redundancy. First of all, see how many number of closed loops are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The total number of loops multiplied by 3, that comes out to be 12. This is a fixed, so this is 3. 12 plus 3, that is 15. 1, 16 and 2, total 18. So now here we'll see how much it comes out to be. One loop, 3 degree of freedom. Total number of loops 4, that comes out to be 12. And total number of reaction that is support will be 3 at one point, 2 at this point and 1 at total 6. So the total degree of 12 plus 6, it will be taken as 18, not 12. It will be 18 numbers, 18 degree of freedom. One important thing that I was missing over here in the case of the beam was, suppose this is a hinge. Then how to find out the redundancy of such type of beam which is hinged somewhere over here? Only one important thing that is to be taken into consideration for the hinge is we have got an additional equation for the hinge, as the moment at hinge is taken as 0. So in addition to the support reaction, add one more over here, and that will find the total number of redundancies over here. Now here what we find so far, the total number of reactions over is 3. Here it comes out to be 1, and here it comes out to be 1. So total number of 3 plus 1 plus 1, total number of degree of freedom will be 5. And here now total degree of freedom, and in equilibrium condition of 3 plus 1, that is 4. So we can see the reactions will be 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5. And sigma h is equal to 0, sigma m is equal to 0, or sigma m is equal to 0, and sigma v is equal to 0. And in addition to that, we have to take one more into account, that is moment at hinge. So the total reactions will be 4, and this will be minus 4, it will come out to be 1. So the total redundancy, it comes out to be 1 over here. And that is overall about what we can say about the degree of the redundancy in case of the beams in case of the truss and in case of a frame. That's over and all.